Today I'm going to show you how to reset an interface to default on Cisco iOS. Okay, so I got two devices connected to each other. So let me just go ahead and reset an interface on the router. So let me go ahead into the router. So right click on it, console, and let me just do a show IP interface brief. And let me do the same command here. I already have it here. So both have IP address configured in them. So how to reset a interface? To reset an interface, just go into the config terminal and do default interface and choose the interface that you want to default or reset. So I'm going to choose Ethernet 0/0, the one with an IP address, and I'm going to enter. So it says interface Ethernet 0/0 set to default configuration. So now if we do show IP interface brief, we see that the interface is gone. So let me do the same command on the switch. So config T interface Ethernet 0/0. Actually, no, just say default interface Ethernet 0/0. So it says interface Ethernet 0/0 set to default configuration. And if we do show IP interface brief, we don't see the IP address anymore on Ethernet 0/0. So that's how quickly you can reset an interface on Cisco iOS. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.